This was the first vehicle that I kind of cut my teeth on getting out off-road. I've been rolling with this rig for about 7 years now, so the adventure's just getting started. Been a manual driver my whole life, but off-road's totally different. So that initial clutch paid the price dearly a few times. And so that was kind of the catalyst for changing over to the Centerforce clutch and that high inertia flywheel, which let me utilize all of the things for the Tacoma because sometimes she lacks in power, so I need all the help I can get. When I am in more precarious situations with the truck, I feel like that first gear just got bigger. I'm not having to feather the clutch as much, I'm not having to have my foot there. I'm able just to kind of let the motor do all the work. And I really see that as a benefit of upgrading the clutch.
So we're climbing up this little kind of steep, nasty little rocky grade here, and I've really just got it in first gear. It's one of the great things about this Centerforce clutch is with that weighted flywheel they have, the truck does a lot of its work on its own without really having to give it too much throttle input at all. Prior to putting the Centerforce clutch in this truck, we took it out and did a little testing with the stock clutch and found us a hill that the truck was not able to climb with no throttle input to find out where the stall point was. And after we put the clutch in with the high inertia flywheel, took it back out and it crawled right up it. It was pretty impressive. It really does make a difference off-road. Definitely when navigating through some more difficult obstacles, it gives me a little more confidence and ability to not have to ride the clutch as much.
This has been the most fun I've had with the setup. I think gears and clutch and lightening up the load has been a real benefit.